Today I'm sharing with you a very nice project. Hello? Hello! And welcome to my channel.
Welcome home.
This is Mary. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. If you have been watching my channel, thank you for coming back. I give tips and tricks of sewing to become a great sewer.
Really?
So, without any further ado, today we're going to work on a very good project. It's a pajama that can be for boys and girls. I made only one size for now, but I will adjust the sizes later, maybe in future videos. This size is size 11 for boys and girls.
This is amazing. People love this.
You just need to adjust the bottoms where direction of the bottoms on the pajama.
What?
I did the first part of the pajama, which is the top part. At the bottom part, which is the pants, will be in the next coming video.
Okay.
So without any further ado, let's get
So
started.
as you can see, I just lay down the pattern and I cut all the pieces for size 11. As I mentioned, the pattern is in the description. As you can see now, I'm going to start by folding the front piece facing. I folded 1 centimeter and another centimeter and ironing, and we're going to sew on the edge for both sides of the front.
Oh, really?
Seriously?
Seriously.
Now we're going to work on the collar. So the collar, it has 2 pieces. We're gonna put an interfacing on one piece and iron it. Once we do that, we're gonna sew around the collar.
This is kind of hard to explain.
Once we sew the collar, now we're gonna flip it over and give it a good press.
Good job!
Now we're going to add the front pieces with the back piece, and we're gonna sew from the shoulder seams. The seam allowance is 5/8 of an inch or 1.5 centimeter.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and if you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up. So please subscribe, and let's go back to the video.
Now, after attaching the back piece with the front piece, we're going to attach the collar. There are notches on the collar that we're going to match it with the notches on the shirt or the pajama top.
I make this look good.
Now we're going to fold the front facing on the collar like you see, and there are notches that I added to. Match the notches like you see, and make sure you leave 1 centimeter before the notch.
I didn't understand a one word you said.
It's very hard to explain, but believe me, it will make sense if you watch it.
It's perfect. Look at it. It's fantastic.
Now we are going to attach the sleeves, and as you can see there are notches on the sleeves as well as on the shirt. So we want to match the notches on the sleeve with the notches on the shirt. And also I went ahead and I added some stay stitch to make the sleeves a little bit ruffle. So this way I can attach it to the shirt and have some ruffles on the top of the sleeves.
That was awesome!
Now we are going to close the sleeves. We're gonna sew from the end of the sleeve to the end of the shirt to the bottom.
Wow, it's very nice.
I went ahead and I hemmed the sleeves as well as I hemmed the shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
And that's all for today. I hope you like what you watch. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Pajama? Yeah, pajama. Yeah. PG. No, pajama. Yeah, PG. No. And that's all for today. I hope you like what you watch and I will be posting lots of coming up. I will be posting more video. I will be posting more videos. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you like to see any coming video. Thank you.